This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to convert a PDF to text in Word. Converting PDFs into editable Word documents is a skill that can save you time and make your workflow much more efficient. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who frequently deals with documents, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and straightforward manner. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Word. It's the tool we'll be using to transform your PDF into a text document. If you're using a Windows computer, you can usually find it by clicking on your Start menu and typing Word in the search bar. On a Mac, you can find it in your Applications folder or use Spotlight Search. Once you've opened Word, you should see a welcome screen or a blank document. Next, take your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on File. As you hover over it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select Open, then Browse. This will bring up a dialog box where you can navigate through your computer's files. Now, it's time to locate the PDF file you want to convert. Use the File Explorer window to navigate to the folder where your PDF is stored. Once you find it, click on the file to select it, and then click the Open button at the bottom right of the window. This step is crucial because it tells Word which document you're looking to convert. After you click Open, Word will recognize that you've selected a PDF and will prompt you with a message. This message informs you that Word will convert your PDF into an editable document. Go ahead and click OK to proceed. This step is essentially Word asking for your permission to change the format of your document. Once you give the go-ahead by clicking OK, Word will start the conversion process. Depending on the size and complexity of your PDF, this might take a few moments. Word is essentially working behind the scenes to transform your PDF into a format that can be easily edited within the Word environment. When the conversion is complete, you'll see your PDF content displayed as a Word document. It looks similar to your original PDF, but now you can click on any text and make changes directly. This can be especially useful if you need to update information, correct errors, or simply repurpose the content for another use. And there you have it. You've successfully converted a PDF to text in Word. This process is not only efficient, but also incredibly helpful for anyone needing to make quick edits to a PDF without having to start from scratch. Whether it's adjusting a report, altering a contract, or just extracting information, Word's ability to convert PDFs can make your life much easier. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more comfortable you'll become with it, and soon it'll become second nature. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to convert a PDF to text in Word. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in streamlining your document editing tasks. Happy editing!